Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that my Bolzano bag for March just arrived. Do you want to know which style I have this month? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so again, my March Bolzano just arrived. It is normally earlier. I normally get it earlier, but a lot of companies are taking their time to get everything done and prepared to make sure that everything is 100% when they're sending them through the mail for everybody and nothing's getting contaminated and that kind of thing. So things are going to be running a little bit later, which is okay. I would rather them take their time and make sure everybody is safe in the process than trying to rush and get stuff out and have mistakes. So I do want to say thank you so much, Bolzano Bags, for sending me this amazing bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive into here, see what is inside this March bag. And then afterwards, I'm going to tell you all about the giveaway. That's right. There is going to be a giveaway in this as well. Bolzano was kind enough to allow one of you guys to either choose yourself or somebody else to win 1 month of their subscription box. So I will get into that after we unbox this. If you want to know how to enter and all the details, then stay tuned. But right now we're going to get into this month's bag. They always do come in this duster bag, which I really do like because then I can keep all of my bags inside the duster bag. And then whenever you want to use that one, you pull it out and it's been protected and protected. So I do appreciate that every single one of their bags comes in a duster bag. So it comes in a mailer bag, which I remove, and then you pull off the little card and it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." That's right. We all deserve to be spoiled. There's that. And let's go ahead and see. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. This is adorable. I've never received anything like this color. It's like a mauve purplish lavender color. I don't know how to explain that. I wonder if in here it tells me what color it comes in, so you know the color of it. But that is like a purpley mauve color. That is so pretty. I really like that color, you guys. Okay, and there's a lot of chains going on, which I love. Silver and chains and all of that. And ooh, what? That's definitely different. Okay. Let me get this plastic off so I can get this noise away. So now that I've I've removed, oh my goodness. I've removed all of the plastic from the chains. So this has some really nice chains and it's not too heavy. So this isn't making this purse really, really heavy. But I do like the fact that you can drop it down and use it longer if you would like, or you can pull it up and use it as a double handle. And it still is perfect. And then they do have their little Bolzano keychain going on right there, which you can remove if you would like. But that is really cute. They always do have their logo on the stuff. Let me take that plastic off. That one's not noisy, but there you go. Okay, so I do really like that because you can use it like that, or you can drop it down and use it like that. That is super cute. I don't have anything like that. That is really neat. And this color, you guys, is just gorgeous. So the outside is both like that, and it just has like that little design on both sides. And when you open it up, this is a really like a perfect size too. It's not too big, it's not too small. So then when you open it up, there are things inside because we get goodies inside. So let me remove all of this. And then here's the card. Okay, you guys. So inside the actual purse, it's all black. There's a little pocket here. You can drop in your cell phone or anything. There's 2 pockets here. So there's 2 little side pockets right here. And then down on this side is a zipper pocket. So when you can stick your hand pretty good in there. It goes down to right here is the bottom of the purse or the pocket. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. And you guys, and I know I've already said this, but I love this color. I really love this color and I really love that design. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the goods. So there is this card that was down in there. It says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Adelina. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's Adelina, especially for you. It's constructed with PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $185. This is a part of our latest collection, and it comes in black, coral, and dusted rose. So this has to be dusted rose for the color. What we love about this bag is the chain straps, stylish eyelets, convenient adjustable straps, inside zipper, pattern exterior design, and structured shape. This one does not have the little feet on the bottom, which is okay. I never set my purse down, and if I am like in a restaurant or anything, I'll take my handles and put them over my leg and have my purse rest on my leg. I never set my purse down. So that is adorable. That is the type of purse that we have, and it comes in black, coral, and dusted rose, and I'm so glad I got this color. So let's go ahead and see what's inside here. It's another little duster bag that is super cute. It's a matching, it's exactly the same. It's like a matching wallet, coin purse, and it has like their logo right here. You can attach your key here if you would like, and then that's attached to the zipper. When you open it up, there's even some goodies in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is amazing. This is too cute, and it comes in its own little duster bag, you guys. So now you have a matching wallet, matching coin purse. You can drop your pills, or you can use this as like a little bag to put feminine products. You can put anything you want in here. It doesn't have to be for your wallet, but it matches it perfectly. And I've never had, just so far, a matching like wallet or accessory. So it's super, super cute. They knocked it out of the park this month for me. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this bag. So the items that were inside of here is, this looks like this is a necklace. I couldn't think of it. It's really long, so when I put it on, you're not going to be able to see, but this is on the end of it. There's like 3 different metalled circles. 2 of them look like they're like a rose gold color, and then one of them looks like it is silver. So there's a rose gold, and then the middle one is a silver color. So there's 3 different colors. So if it was up higher, that's how it would look. But when you put it on, it goes that low. So there's that. And then here are 2 really pretty earrings. So they're all silver hoops. Those are super cute. So we have a pair of hoop earrings and this necklace that was inside, which that is really cute. I like that. So then here is another product that's inside of here. Let's see what we have in this bag. You get like surprises coming out everywhere in here. Sorry you guys, it is really hot today. It's like 100 and something degrees, and it's just really hot. It's just extremely hot. It's uncomfortably hot right now. So this has a pomegranate detox face mask. Ooh, and it says it contains 5 pieces. So it looks like it's a 5-piece. Let's get this opened and see. I love me some sheet masks. Yes, please. Thank you, and give me some more. So yes, there are 5 individual little packets in here of the pomegranate detox face mask. So that's amazing. So we have 5 of those. You can all use face mask. Well, I know I can. So it says wash your face with fresh water and pat dry. I use more than just fresh water to wash my face. I use cleanser too. And pat dry. Place the mask over your face, ensuring that the face is fully covered and the mask is pressed against the skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove. So just like any normal face mask. So that's really cute, and it's pomegranate. Yay. Then we have is a strawberry lip scrub. That it sounds scrumptious, and I love using lip scrubs now. I keep them in my shower. But ooh, it smells really good. That's what it looks like on the inside, and it smells like strawberries. And then the last item in here is by Clinique, long lasting glosswear. So it's a lip gloss, and it looks like it's in the color Sweet Tooth. says 25 Sweet Tooth. It's so hard. It is really hard to read that writing, but I think that's what it says is Sweet Tooth. So here's the actual packaging. And again, this is by Clinique. And it's a lip gloss. No color, it's just a clear lip gloss. That's really cool. And this is like a little thing you can drop in your purse. And you always have your lip gloss ready. Glossy. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this month's bag, you guys. We got the Clinique lip balm. We have a strawberry lip scrub. We have some hoop earrings. We have a necklace. We have a 5-pack face mask. We have a accessory that even the design matches it to a T. That is super cute. We have this bag that matches this like little accessory bag, which is adorable. And that is everything that came in this month's bag, you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go over Bolzano and let you know what the pricing and all of that stuff is, and then I'm gonna get into the giveaway. Okay guys, so Bolzano is a purse subscription. When you do purchase, they do send you a survey, and you can fill out the survey letting them know a bunch of questions like the style bags you like, the colors that you like, the colors that you don't like, the hardware colors, all kind of things. You answer all the questions. So when they do get your subscription ready for the month, they go off of your profile. So they pick things that is basically what you would like for yourself, which I really do like that they do have that profile. Now with my profile, I did open mine up to pretty much anything and everything because this is about showing you guys as well, not just myself. So I did open mine up so I can kind of get a different variation, but I've loved everything so far. And this one this month is extremely cute. I love the way that you can drop it down and pick it back up for the level adjustments quickly. I just really, really like this and the color, and that has the matching thing inside. Just saying. So right now they have 2 different subscriptions. If you're not quite sure which one you would like, they do have now start a survey. They can answer a few different quizzes and it'll help you decide which one would be the best one for you guys, which that's a cool little new feature that they have now. So the first one is the purse and accessory monthly. It's $33.95 per month. You do get free shipping. If you go ahead and do a 3-month, it brings it to $101.85. So you do save a little bit of money. Then they have the Luxe handbag, accessories, and beauty monthly. And that's what I got. And that's $43.95. Now that one is, if you do 3 months, it brings it to $129.90, which again, you do save money if you do prepay for a few months at a time. Bolzano Bags does some pretty spectacular work with third world villages to help women around the world become more self-sustaining. So again, they do have the different subscription boxes to offer. If you do use my code SheCrafty gift, so when you figure out which one you would like and you put it in the cart, when you have your order up, before checking out, go to the search bar and type in SheCrafty gift and then add it to your cart. That then will give you a free item upon your first delivery, valued up to $45. So you get a little surprise goodie when you sign up if you use my code, which that is amazing. So don't forget to use that because getting a free gift is very cool. So let's go ahead and talk about this giveaway, shall we? Are you excited? I'm so excited. Now, what Bolzano is doing is they're allowing you to either choose for yourself or somebody that you would like to enter into this specific giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is down below in the description box, there's going to be a link. You follow that link, it is Bolzano's link. It will take you to their page on a specific link to fill out the information. This is what it will look like right here. This is the different questions that it will ask you. When it gets to the influencer, do the drop down and go down and click SheCrafty if you are doing it from my page. So click SheCrafty and fill out all the information. Again, it could be for you or for anybody else. What it says on there is, do you know an amazing person who could use a boost? Maybe it's someone who puts the needs of others before their own, someone who always maintains a positive attitude through tough times, a coworker that has changed your community, or a caregiver who has exceeded expectations. Well, select one lucky winner to receive one Bolzano Luxe subscription. It could be, again, for yourself or anybody else that you would like. You can nominate them, and then it gives you a little section to say why you're nominating them, why they would be a good candidate for this specific giveaway. And this will run for 1 month, all of April. This will run the very last day of April, the 30th. That is when it will end at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. After that, then they will choose the winner and send out the lucky winner for whoever it is for that specific person or for whoever they choose. And they will get 1 free month of the Luxe subscription, which is amazing. So if you are interested in trying out the subscription for yourself and you want to enter into the giveaway, maybe you or somebody that you choose could win that subscription, which would be awesome. So again, follow the link that's in the description box. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must be over the age of 18 and have a United States address. Other than that, again, you follow that link, fill out all the information for them, and that is it. Good luck to everybody who is entering. Congratulations to whoever does win. This is super amazing. I'm so glad that they're sharing this down to you guys, so one of you guys can experience one of their bags, give yourself a pickup, or give somebody that you know that needs a good pick-me-up a beautiful bag, and that's amazing. So trying to just give back to you guys, just give somebody something to look forward to, and right now we all could use something like that. So that is very amazing. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's bag? I think this bag is super pretty. I love the design and how it drops down in a second or goes back up as far as the length. I think that is super cute. So definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.